Hey there Greymains, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft the Kuku Gardening Pack in Crimson Desert. Alright, now first things first, I believe I made this pack at the start of chapter 9 on my playthrough, since one of the sanctums we are going to be exploring is part of a main quest line. I believe the game won't give you the item you need if you're not in the right chapter of the story. But if you are going to attempt this on an earlier chapter, then I recommend making a save first before you go to the Sanctum of Mortification. I suggest you leave it as the last thing to do when you're going through this tutorial. Alright, now first things first, we're going to need the Kuku Pack blueprint. And you can get that blueprint by cleansing the Sanctum of Penitence. You can find this over to the southwest of the Grey Main camp, in between Unicorn Cliff and the Iron Wood. This Sanctum is also a part of the Witch of Wisdom's quest line when you meet her in chapter 5. So from her, you'll find the location of the Sanctum. Once you go to this location, just like every other Sanctum in the game, just clear out all of the enemies and cleanse the Sanctum. This Sanctum is thankfully one of the few that only needs one piece to cleanse it. From this pillar that I'm standing on, the core is all the way over there to that direction. And just right behind me will be a half-collapsed floor. Go down the stairs from here and you'll find the piece just floating in this area. Just slam it down on the core or pillars and the Sanctum will be cleansed. And optionally for this specific Sanctum, you can also solve the puzzle of getting its core. I apologize that it looks horrendous, my laptop's doing its best running this game. Next thing you're gonna do is to unlock the Witch of Humility to find one of the Sanctums linked to her questline, which is the Sanctum of Veneration. Now we have a video dedicated already to finding her, so you might want to check it out if you haven't found her yet. This Sanctum is going to be the next we're going to cleanse to get the recipe for the Kuku Gardening Pack. It's all the way here over in Delicia, just right on top of Mount Venus. Once you've cleared out this Sanctum, just from this location right here on the top, the core is over here, and just right behind me is the way you're going to go to find the missing piece. From this direction, you will find a wall that you can lift up, and inside is the piece you're going to be looking for. Just plop this down to the core, and then you have cleansed the Sanctum, and don't forget to get its core as well. Now the final Sanctum we're going to cleanse is the Sanctum of Mortification. This is the Sanctum I told you about that is part of chapter 9's main storyline. So just make a save now just in case something goes wrong if you're not in this chapter yet. It's all the way over to the north of Demnis, just right under the Den River a little bit to the right. Now one of the piece's locations is just right inside this hole in the wall. Go to the left and there should be some stairs that lead down and the piece will be there floating. And also the core is just to my right, to give you a landmark. The second piece is inside this tower with all the vines surrounding it. This is just right ahead from the core if you went down the stairs. It's very easy to find. Just burn down the vines clinging to the walls, and then grab the core in between the bars and seal it inside the Kuku pot. And then put the pieces together to cleanse the Sanctum, and finally get the core of Mortification, since this is one of the items that we're going to need to make the pack. Now the next thing we're going to need is the Kuku Pack itself. Over in the Kilndan workshop, you can find Grimnir and access his shop. We're going to need the Kuku pot to make the Kuku Pack. It's very cheap for only 5 pieces of iron and 5 pieces of timber. Now for the normal Kuku Pack itself, it's going to require the pot and a peddler's pack. You can find it over to the south of the Grey Main camp in the Toadsmith Tannery. You'll be able to find a street vendor and behind him will be some peddler's pack that you can either buy or steal, whichever one you're gonna choose. Now there's still one more item we're going to need and it's the power core, the ore of recipiscence. You can get this from the stone worms that are scattered across the map. You can find 3 of them in this location right here to the right of the Sanctum of Penitence that we went to earlier. Just to the right side of the road where I'm standing on the map is where you'll find them. I recommend making a save file before engaging with these enemies first, because once you collect their cores, they won't respawn. And I don't know if you can get the core that you're looking for since I only got the core of recipiscence once from these 3 worms, so do take caution. Alright, now that we got all of the materials that we need, we can now make the Kuku Gardening Pack. For the Abyss cells, we already have a video of how to farm them in the channel, so you might want to check that one out as well. Once you have the Kuku Gardening Pack, make sure to equip it on your back, and on your Elements tab, select it as well. And now when you press B on your keyboard, or whatever input it is on your controller, you can now just collect herbs, veggies, a fruit and more instantly around you, without having to waste so much of your time manually collecting them. And that's pretty much about it on how to craft the Kuku Gardening Pack in Crimson Desert.